Is your Samsung phone channeling the 80s with a black and white screen? Let's dive into how you can fix this issue with a couple of simple steps. Solution 1. Disabling color correction. First, go to the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Then, tap on the Accessibility option. Next, choose Vision Enhancements. Scroll down a bit more and select Color Correction. Once you're there, switch the toggle to turn it off. Solution 2. Disabling Bedtime Mode. Once again, go to your phone settings. Scroll down the menu. Find the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls and tap on it. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then select Bedtime Mode. After that, switch to toggle to turn it off. That's it! Those are the steps to fix the black and white screen issue on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for tuning in!